Hello class, for those of you who missed the opportunity to join us via Zoom this morning, you have a chance of getting the information through this recording and then answering a few questions afterwards. So first and foremost, I hope you've been able to access all of the materials through Schoology. Make sure you're always reading the announcements right here that inform you of some upcoming and important events or activities or actions that you need to take. The first thing that I want to show you from our updates is the choice board with the point values. Hopefully this loads. So first, you can see, if you zoom in a little bit better, you have all of these options that you can choose from and the Flipgrid video updates. You have to do a total of 200 points worth of assignments. So you can pick and choose which assignments you want to do. You just want to make sure that it equals and amounts to 200 points. So for example, if you want to start your own debate or respond to a debate that another student already started, then you can do that on Flipgrid. The postcard response to me, including the image and your writing, is worth a total of 25 points. If you record a video explaining a reading strategy that you've been using while reading a book for fun, you can share that here. If you have younger siblings, a neighbor, or a friend that you're teaching them a new skill, or even a pet, you can share that here as well. Some of you have asked and inquired about the TikTok video. If you'd like to create a TikTok and incorporate some of the things that or the topics that we learned about from Romeo and Juliet, like romance, tragedy, suicide, that can be done as well. If you'd like to start a podcast assignment, which some of you have through GarageBand, you can do that as well. And that would complete the entire assignment or requirement of 200 points, because that is worth 200 points. If you'd like to record a video with a recipe with step-by-step instructions, you can do that as well. And then over here, the Flipgrid video updates, you can choose to do one update per day, and that'll amount to a total of 100 points if you do it for 4 days. So if you started on Monday, and you wanted to do an update, you can certainly do this for each of those days, and that would make up for half of your points, 100 points right there. So that's that. I just want to make sure you understand this, and again, use this information to accomplish your 200 points. The other thing I wanted to talk about is your tracking slide. So right here, updated tracking sheet. You want to click on that and just open it for now and leave it open, and I will go ahead and put your stickers in, or like a digital stamp showing you which assignments you have completed and which ones do I have you tracked down for. So that's all for that. Let's go back. Then the other parts. So you're going to see all these assignments here. It doesn't mean you have to do each one. Remember, this is a choice, so you pick the ones that you want to do, amounting to 200 points. The last thing, actually not the last thing, a few other things. When you submit an assignment, just like class, you are always welcome to resubmit it for a higher point value. So if you want to improve, definitely do that. But also, I need you to go back and read what I'm writing and annotating in your work so that you can improve upon your writing skills, especially those of you who are really focused on improving your writing. This is the perfect time. I'm taking the time to provide as much feedback as possible to help you grow and learn throughout the process. Another thing is attendance. So here's how attendance works. Attendance is going to work based on what I choose to track you on for that day. So for today, it was your Zoom conference. So if you missed it, then you have a chance to make up for that by doing this video. You have a chance of making up for it by doing this video, watching the video, and then answering some questions. It's as long as you do that, then you'll get your attendance points. And that is all I have, I think, at this point. Just make sure you're checking in with me, communicating. Always check your updates. Go through the folders and look through every one of them and make sure you understand what is going on and that you're doing what I'm asking you to do. Here's the letter where I tell you simply to view it, check in, and then right here is the folder for all of the tasks that we have going on and available for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to use this and send me a message. All right, guys, bye.